Hello, boys and girls. I have a question for you. How does the stomach help digest food? I want you to think about that because I'm going to show you how the stomach helps digest food. And I want you to compare what you're thinking with my response. You're probably thinking about what you did in class to help the bolus get digested and turn into chyme. So let's see again how that takes place with this visual diagram. Question is, how does the stomach help digest food? One thing, please answer the survey questions once you're done with this video. So the bolus comes down the esophagus through peristalsis, and here's the bolus over there. It's going to then enter the stomach. And the stomach has these walls. I've marked them in pink and now I'm marking them in black. And what the walls do is they actually physically churn or move. So that's something the walls do. The walls do movement. You can't feel this inside your body, really. But those stomach walls are moving, and they're moving this way. They might be moving that way, up, down, but the walls move. And when the walls move, what happens to the bolus is this. Well, imagine the bolus got over there. When those walls move, the bolus gets literally split into pieces. And so then you have smaller bolus, as you can see I've put now in the acid. So that's the first thing that the stomach does to help digest food. The stomach walls move or churn, and they make bolus smaller. And you can see the small bolus I've put into the acid in the stomach. Finally, what happens next? Well, we have the acid doing something. So what does the acid do? Let's get a different color here. I'll get green. The acid takes the smaller pieces of bolus and it starts to dissolve them. And it dissolves them so they become more of a liquid. So the acid dissolves bolus so it becomes more of a liquid. So, to kind of end this video lesson now, I want you to remember a few things. And I'll get a new color out here, make it red so it stands out. In order for the stomach to help digest food, the stomach's walls, as you've seen over here, they move and they churn and they move and churn so that they can split and kind of, make that bolus smaller into smaller pieces. The smaller pieces then get into the acid, and then the acid dissolves the bolus so it becomes a liquid. Later, you'll learn, well, you already have learned, that this liquid is called chyme, and it's spelled with a CH, chyme, and it's a soupy-like substance. It takes 3 hours about for this chyme to leave your stomach, and you're going to learn that it goes to your small intestine, and we'll learn what happens to it there later. Okay, answer the survey questions now. See you later. Bye.